guys, welcome to today's video. Today I wanted to do something that's just super easy, so inexpensive, anyone can do it, and it's really fun. I am currently out camping. We are being tourists in our own state and checking out the Badlands of Kansas, and so I wanted to take with me a really pretty fall centerpiece that I could do for my table here in my camper that literally cost me hardly nothing. So if you've never seen dye dip candles, it is so easy. I'm going to take you along, show you how to do it. It's definitely something that you could do for your home, and it's so versatile. You could change it and do any kind of way that you want. I'm going to show you two different examples. I'm going to show you a fall one and then a cool idea to do something spooky for Halloween. So don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Alright, let's get going. Alright, so to begin with, I have two little candlesticks that I got from the Dollar Tree and different size candles that they sell at the Dollar Tree. I got my jumbo crowns, and I'm just going to unwrap it, and oh my goodness, this was giving me the most trouble just getting this wrapper off of this Crayola. I'm using yellow to begin with, and at first I thought I was going to shred it, but then I was like, oh, forget that. I'm just going to put it in. It melts so fast and easy. And so there, as you can see, it is all ready to go. And I'm just going to take my Dollar Tree candle and I am going to dip this down into the Crayola. So I'm going to let you know right now that this dries really fast. And so also, as you can see, I'm using a double boiler. And so if you don't have this melting pot here that I have, that is totally okay. You can just use another saucepan to go on top. And so I'm doing half my candle, and you're going to be able to see super easy what I'm doing here in a moment. That goes great for fall. Okay, and so lastly, we're going to use the small candle, and this one was a little bit more difficult just because it was so small to hold on to. And I'm sure you saw each one of them, I'm just spinning them around. And so now we have the white and the yellow, and now we're going to use our orange Crayola, and I'm just going to pop that in there and get that all melted down. So these candy corn candles are so adorable. This turned out perfect, but this last small one was so difficult to do, and I totally messed it up, but I went ahead and just went with it because actually during the final product of it, it ended up still looking really cute. But this one was hard for me to do. I thought popcorn was the perfect addition for our fall little centerpiece here, and I'm just adding some jute around, and then we're going to add a little bit of flowers just to, help give that fall vibe, and oh my goodness, this turned out so awesome. You could also add candy corn instead of the popcorn if you wanted to go with a different option. Isn't this so pretty for hardly spending any money? You can get a $1 candle, you probably already have some Crayolas, and boom, so pretty. Next up, I have my taper candles and a black Crayola crown, and we are just going to melt that one up. I think you can get these tapers, I think they were 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just melting that black down. It melts so fast. I love it. It was so much easier to work with than actual candle wax. Okay, so I'm just going to dip this in there, just the upper half, and I'm just going to spin it around to get it all covered, and then that is it. This is going to be so easy, but this is going to really add a fun, spooky effect for any kind of Halloween decor that you want to use. So as you're gonna see, when it first starts burning, I mean, it looks cool, but it's a little boring, but just wait for it. The dripping effect looks so awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was a lot of fun. Now that's a good scary looking candle. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.